This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Fallout 4 theme on piano. We will begin by finding middle C, a crucial starting point for many pieces. Your right hand will then play the iconic opening melody, consisting of just 3 notes repeated. Simultaneously, your left hand will lay down the harmonic foundation with simple yet powerful chords. This theme beautifully transitions between C minor and C major, creating its distinctive, haunting atmosphere. The right hand is responsible for the main melody, which is quite recognizable and slow-paced in the beginning. For the left hand, you'll be playing chords like A-flat major, C major, and a minor, which create a deep, resonant sound. It's important to practice each hand separately before combining them. You'll find that many of the chord patterns repeat, making the piece easier to memorize over time. To truly capture the essence of the Fallout 4 theme, focus on dynamics. Play some sections softly to evoke mystery, and others with a bit more weight for dramatic effect. The slower tempo is key to conveying its reflective and somewhat melancholic mood. Listen for those subtle shifts between major and minor keys. They are crucial for expressing the emotional depth of the piece. Let your playing tell the story. To master this theme, break it down into smaller, more manageable sections. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to focused practice. Consistency is more important than long, infrequent sessions. Listening to the original Fallout 4 theme will help you internalize its unique rhythm and feel. Always prioritize playing the correct notes and rhythms accurately before attempting to increase your speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.